Ramadan is here, a special time. We wake up early before sunrise. We pray, we fast, we give and share. Kindness is found everywhere. Dates and water, then we eat with family. At iftar we meet, smiling faces, hearts so bright, thanking Allah every night. Ramadan, Ramadan, a month so bright, full of love and shining light. We do good deeds, we smile and pray. Eid is coming, hip hooray. The moon is shining big and high, we see it glowing in the sky. Attempt to read a book, Taraweeh prayers, we stand so tall, listening to the Quran's call, helping others, sharing more, giving sadaqah at every door. Hands held high, we say a prayer for peace and love everywhere. Ramadan, Ramadan, a month so bright, full of love and shining light. We do good deeds, we smile and pray. Eid is coming, hip hooray. One more day, the fast will end. Time to visit, time to send gifts and joy, a love so true. A happy Eid for me and you. Silver moon shining bright, welcoming Eid with pure delight. Families gather hand in hand, a day of love across the land. Eid Mubarak, dance and cheer, smiles and laughter everywhere. Let's give, let's love, let's always share. Ramadan's blessings are always there. A month of mercy, a month of grace, brings us peace in every place. Attempt to help a friend, we learn to help, we learn to care. A better world, a kinder prayer. Now it's time the joy begins, hugs and laughter with our friends. A brand new day, let's spread the cheer. Eid Mubarak, love is here. Eid Mubarak, dance and cheer, smiles and laughter everywhere. Let's give, let's love, let's always share. Ramadan's blessings are always there. Ramadan is a special kind of celebration. Love stay in our hearts forever. Wishing you all a joyful and blessed Eid. Eid Mubarak.
Ramadan may end, but the lessons of kindness, patience, and love stay in our hearts forever. Wishing you all a joyful and blessed Eid. Eid.